Ka Sorkar Meghalaya hak arpun riu trik nailar, kala rai ban Pyndam no ya ka jingdon kam ban shim interview hak athung kam Group C non-technical bala penyai da District Selection Committee DSC ka ban tre kam na du ka shitarik kala lingkan arja arpun nyau. Haba penbena ya kani hadien ka jingalang jong ka kinhun menteri, u menteri rang ba ka jala u Konrad ke sangma ulaong, ba kani ka senjam ka dei shibenta jong ka jingpen kala thma ya ka thung kam thung jam bala shim kham haswa. Ngila Pyndam no yak interview na kabenta ki kam Group C kat kum ka jing ai jingmon jong ka UPSC bat ka Reform Commission jong ka jela. Haba beteng ya kani menta kasngi ngila penkot sa yak interview na kabenta ki kam Group C ki badai ki non-technical ulaong. U Chief Minister ulaong baki interview kindang beteng na kabenta ki kam technical hapo ka Group C bat na kalyang katanat personal kan sa penmi ya ka jing penbena ka basyai ka penyap heri kam technical but non-technical. Ulaong baka ni karukam trekam batmai kan trekam na kabenta baro ki jingpen benalait kam ki ban penmi na du ka shtarik kelalingkot aja apunyo na mar ka jingdan kam ban penbet thamai ya ka service rules. Ni aipor line saw benai ban pendap ya ka ni ka service rule na kabenta ban pentrekam ya ka ni ka rai ulaong. Ka kinhun menteri kala airu ka jingmanjur ya ka standard operating procedure SOP na kabenta ki District Selection Committee DSC bakin penbet renti halor ka thungkam thungjam. Kan sadon ka jing ai jing hikai na kabenta ki Deputy Commissioner bat ki officer khanang banla ban pentrekam kham kloi ki SOP ka bahadin on sa pentrekam lang shaki pat ki recruitment board kan thop ka medical rural development but police benrap ukonran.
If you recall earlier, we had made the decision based on different recommendations given by UPSC as well as our own reforms commissions that we have removed the interview process or discontinued the interview process from groups D, if you recall, in the DSCs. So today in the cabinet, we have further gone ahead and we have removed the interviews from the group C post also. And this, of course, Group C for non-technical posts. There are certain technical posts under Group C also. Those will still continue, and that list of what is technical and not technical, the personnel department will clarify and give the list of which are the technical posts and which are non-technical. And obviously, since this procedure requires a lot of amendments in different rules, because all the service rules, everybody has got their own notifications in this. So the entire administrative process, we're giving them 3 months, 4 months to complete it. So we will make this particular aspect applicable from the 1st of January 2027. So advertisements that come out from that day and ahead of that, beyond that, the interviews for Group C post will no longer be there, will be discontinued. Number 3, we have also created a standard operating procedure for the district selection committees. As you're aware that the district selection committees are functioning in all the districts, and sometimes there are basic things which are quite normal for us in terms of the process of recruitment. But because obviously district committees are engaged in so many other activities also, sometimes certain steps or certain procedures are missed out, and therefore to ensure that that does not happen, the cabinet today has approved the SOP that will be followed by all the district selection committees. And we're going to call a special training and call all the concerned officials, mostly the deputy commissioners, and have a training here to ensure that these SOPs are implemented at the earliest in the district selection committees. And further, we will ensure that we extend these SOPs to other recruitment boards like the medical, the rural development, the police, and so on and so forth.